into a million pieces, but we won't stay down. Now I'm seeing past the mockery. I'll wear my royal crown. These scars are part of me, heaven's destiny. My voice without the fear, this is what it sounds like. Why did I hide away the power burning in my veins? Princess of hell with angels' dreams, I'll break these bloody chains. Show me what's underneath, I'll set every soul free. Mother's song and father's might, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the fear, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and crown held high,